Okay, in this quick video, I'm going to show you how to do a QR code on the back of a card. So we're going to start with just a basic landscape, create a blank one. And now we're going to go down at the bottom here, scroll over till we find the QR code. We're going to enter your URL in that box right there. You can just copy it and paste it right in. And it's going to come up with the code for you. So generate, and it'll pop it right into your document that you're making. You can move it, change its size, do its color, any of those fancy things that you want to do. And then come back down to the elements here and just type in Scan Me, and you'll see all of these different options. So you can have a box, you can have an arrow, you can have a phone, you can have all sorts of things. So just pick whatever is going to fit with what you are making. I'm just going to go with this basic little box around it. So you notice some of those say Pro. So if you're in the paid Canva, you can use the Pro. And if not, then you can use any of those other ones, which there's plenty of options in the free Canva. So you can just put this and just kind of play around with it and get it the right size that you want. And then also you might want to add in a picture to go with your QR code. So I'm just going to add in a quick family picture on the beach here. This one's going to be for a travel thing, so I would like the beach picture to go with that. I'm going to just go back to my elements at the bottom and search for frames. Now I really like frames because what it does is it puts the picture right into this frame. So you pick, there's so many of them, pick whatever shape, size you want. I like this little one that kind of looks like a paintbrush stroke. Just put it there, you play with it wherever you want to put it, and then grab your picture and just slide your picture right over top, and it'll just fit perfectly into that frame. And again, you can change the size, change the position, however you want. If that one doesn't look good, go back down and pick a different one. And as in everything, you just keep playing with it until it looks the way that you want it. So you fix the sizing and just play around with it until it is how you want. Next, I'm going to do some text because I would be sending this out to a potential customer. So I want to go down to the bottom, hit the plus sign, go down, find my text. So I'm going to add a text box. Just going to put in some words here that describe what it is that they would be clicking on the QR code for. So I add those, add in my text here. Now, just a couple of other ideas of why or how you could use a QR code. You could link it to a sales page. So if you're a coach and you got a upcoming, fitness, you're going to be doing something for New Year's or whatever, and you're going to be having a big sale, as long as you've got a URL, you put it in there, make it into your QR code, you can link it right there. So on the front, you could talk about all the benefits of, having your New Year starting off right, and on the back you can link to your sales page. If you have a specific blog post, let's say you're a realtor and you're talking about 10 ways that you can get your house ready for a sale, and you already have a blog post that talks about this, put it here. Just put your text. Hey, check out my blog post, 10 ways to get house ready for sale. Link it right there, quick and easy. You can also link your code, have it go to your link tree, which could be connected to your podcast, to your YouTube, to your Instagram, to your Twitter, to your Facebook, to your business page, to everything, really. Have it go to your website. If you are a course creator, have the QR code go right to your course. Put in your text there. Are you ready to get started with the course? Click here. It takes them right where they need to go. So many possibilities. The QR code is just the easy, quick version of the URL, right? So it just turns your URL into this. People will scan it with their phone. Most times it's just from the camera app, and it'll just bring up the site right there. They click it and they open it, easy enough. So just you can play around with your font, change the font, change the size, change the colors, whatever, right? You're going to make it what looks best for you for whatever purpose you're doing. So I just did a quick find out how, scan here, And that little arrow is down at the bottom in the elements. So it's